everyone, this is Nina from SENKEN GROUP. Today I'd like to introduce our hot-selling road flare. The warning lamp is portable and rechargeable with built-in lithium battery, has 27 pieces LEDs. Light view angle is 360 degrees, 20 hours working time and 6 hours charging time for completely dead battery, IP65 water and dustproof. Totally has 11 flash patterns of single unit. M button controls 7 flash patterns, and R button controls 4 flash patterns. 5 flash patterns in total if connect different units for synchronous flash pattern and asynchronous flash pattern. Multiple units, 1 controller, 3 buttons to control the light. There is a strong magnet on the bottom, can stick on every metal surface, like a car. A USB charging cable as standard accessory. Charging case for 6 pieces as a group. Cone adapter allows the flare to be mounted on top of any standard cone, and a transparent punch as optional accessories. This product is suitable for policemen, firefighter, engineering, military, maintenance personnel, etc. Hope everyone likes this product. You can scan our company barcode for further information. Thank you.